150 grams of self-raising flour, 45 grams of butter. Rub the butter into the flour. 100 grams of onion tops, 50 grams of Parmesan cheese, 90 milliliters of 0% fat yogurt. Mix the ingredients to combine. Add some yogurt in if you think it looks dry. You'll get 6 scones from this mix. Grate some more Parmesan onto the top of the scones. Bake in an oven at 200 degrees centigrade for 20 minutes. As always, if you like what you see here, please give a thumbs up to the video and a like to this post. You can follow me at the hashtag FatLadFood. Also, if you like your recipes in print format, you can get them at fatladfood.co.uk.